Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best freestanding punching bags that are available on the market for their true quality. Each of these bags has unique features suited for different users, so stick around to find out which one fits your needs best. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4, we have the Yorwin Freestanding Punching Bag. This 70-inch heavy bag is a complete training kit, making it an excellent option for both beginners and fitness enthusiasts. The package includes not just the punching bag, but also gloves, hand wraps, a jump rope, and an air pump with multiple nozzles. This all-in-one approach makes it a fantastic value for anyone looking to start their home gym setup. The punching bag itself is made from thickened PVC, ensuring durability and elasticity. It rebounds quickly after being hit, offering a realistic punching experience. The widened base, which can be filled with water or sand, provides decent stability for moderate intensity workouts. However, advanced users, or those performing heavy strikes, might find it less sturdy compared to higher-end options. The 360-degree swivel and rebound stand is another highlight, allowing dynamic training from multiple angles. While this bag scores points for its versatility and included accessories, it does have some limitations. The PVC material, while durable, may not withstand the wear and tear of daily high-impact use. Additionally, the stability is good, but not exceptional, making it better suited for light to moderate training. It's a great pick for anyone looking to stay active at home. But serious martial artists might want to look elsewhere. At number 3, we have the Tech Tools Punching Bag with Stand. This product stands out as a speed bag option ideal for those looking to improve their timing, coordination, and accuracy. Unlike the other punching bags on this list, the Tech Tools bag is height adjustable, ranging from 48 to 58 inches, making it suitable for users of all ages and sizes. It's a great choice for teens and adults alike, and it comes with gloves and an air pump to get you started right out of the box. The spring-loaded adjustable shaft is designed for quick rebounds, which makes it perfect for speed and reflex training. However, this bag is not meant for high-impact heavy strikes, as its lightweight base won't provide the stability required for such workouts. The construction features durable materials, but the focus here is on portability and ease of use, rather than long-term durability against heavy use. If you're looking for a freestanding bag that helps you develop speed and accuracy, this is a solid option. It's compact, portable, and easy to set up, making it a great addition to a home gym. However, if you're after a bag that can withstand heavy kicks and punches, this might not be the right choice for you. It's best suited for cardio, fitness, and stress relief. At the number 2 spot, we have another product from Duofip, the freestanding punching bag for adults. This 70-inch bag is specifically geared toward beginners and intermediate users looking for a reliable option to practice at home. Its standout feature is its widened 27.6-inch base, which can be filled with water or sand to weigh up to 200 pounds, ensuring impressive stability during workouts. The thickened PVC material is durable and elastic, meaning it rebounds quickly after punches and kicks. This makes it ideal for light to moderate training, whether you're practicing boxing, kickboxing, or Muay Thai. The package also includes boxing gloves and an electric air pump, which is a nice convenience for setup. However, advanced users may find that it doesn't quite meet their needs for heavy-duty training, as it's not as robust as higher-end models. This punching bag is best suited for those who want an affordable, easy-to-use option for fitness and stress relief. It's durable enough for casual use, but it might not withstand high-intensity training over time. If you're just starting out or looking to add variety to your home workouts, this is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the dripex Freestanding Punching Bag. Standing at 69 inches tall, this bag is perfect for adults and teens alike, offering a versatile solution for boxing, kickboxing, and overall fitness. What sets the dripex apart is its advanced shock-absorbing system, featuring dual TPU absorbers and 4 springs for 360 degrees shock and noise absorption. For those who prefer more intensive strength training, you can remove the springs for reduced vibration and increased resistance. The bag's build quality is outstanding, with a stainless steel tube stand, encased in a multi-layered construction of PU leather, high-density EPE foam, and an eco-friendly fabric buffer. This combination ensures durability, tear resistance, and a fast rebound, even under heavy use. The base is equally impressive, featuring a rounded ABS tank with 12 suction cups that keep it firmly in place on smooth floors. When filled with sand, the stability is even more enhanced, making it suitable for high-impact training. This bag is an all-around winner, providing durability, stability, and performance that cater to both beginners and advanced users. It's easy to assemble and doesn't require drilling into walls or ceilings, making it ideal for home gyms. While it's on the heavier side, that's a testament to its robust design. If you're serious about your training or want a punching bag that can keep up with your progress, the dripex freestanding punching bag is the best choice on the market right now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay active and keep punching.